How to fix Google Authenticator time correction problem. This usually happens when your device's date and time are not properly synchronized. First, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Settings. Google Authenticator doesn't currently provide a separate option to manually sync or correct the time inside the app, so you'll need to adjust your device's date and time settings instead. Open your device's settings. Look for date and time. Depending on your device, this may be under System, General Management, or a similar option. Now, make sure Automatic Date and Time, or Use Network Provided Time, is turned on. Also, make sure your time zone is set correctly. If the settings were already enabled, turn Automatic Date and Time off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. Wait around 30 seconds, then reopen Google Authenticator. Now, check whether your verification codes are working correctly. And that's how you can fix the Google Authenticator time correction problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.